Durian pudding, an exotic dessert that's a bit like marmite. You'll either love it or it's not for you. Join me through the process and decide for yourself. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. We'll start by using 400 grams of durian. Add it to a blender along with 2 litres of full-fat milk and 120 grams of sugar. Blend the mixture until it's completely smooth, ensuring a velvety texture for our pudding. Pour the durian mixture into a heavy-bottomed pan and bring it to a gentle boil. Once it's simmering, add in 8 tablespoons of agar powder. Gelatine powder can also be used. Give it a thorough whisk, ensuring continuous stirring to prevent the bottom from burning. After it has all come together, lower the heat and let it cook for 3 minutes. While our durian pudding is cooking, let's quickly prepare some roasted almond slithers. In a small pan, dry roast 100 grams of almond slithers. Crush them using a pestle and mortar. Once crushed, add 75 grams of them into our durian mixture and give it one final mix. Time to pour this delightful concoction into small dessert bowls. Top it with some extra crushed roasted almonds. Allow it to cool to room temperature before placing it in the fridge. There you have it. Our delicious durian pudding, so creamy and wonderful, it feels like I'm back in Yangon. Thank you for watching once more. Interestingly, more than 80% of our viewers are still unsubscribed. What are you waiting for? Join us and enjoy our recipes. Happy cooking!